Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started with the weekly analysis for Nifty. But just before that, in my Bank Nifty video, I actually mentioned that I'll come back to the Dow Jones chart. So I'm just going to start with the Dow Jones and then we will come back to Nifty. Yeah, this is what basically Dow Jones chart looks like. So you guys, people who are following me on Twitter for quite some time would have seen that I had actually plotted this particular W way back in October, and then I had mentioned that we are going to see an up move in Dow, and post this particular W we saw a fabulous up run or an up move on Dow. And then what had happened, see, I'll just show you this particular chart weekly. So what has happened post the W? We can clearly see a sharp up move, followed by a small sort of a retracement. Now the important thing to notice here, this retracement is only on the upper 1/3 area of this particular up move, which means the buyers or the prices are holding on the upper end, which means higher chances of prices getting break out on the upper side in the upcoming weeks. Now when that is going to happen exactly is anyone's guess, but the overall structure looks bullish on a weekly time frame in Dow. Now exactly what had happened, I'll just show you on a daily time frame. I was tracking the Dow Jones, and we actually saw consecutive red candles on Dow Jones as well for these many days, and this was exactly near support when I expected Dow Jones to take a U-turn. It just delayed that particular U-turn by one day because I was expecting it to happen on this day itself. But nonetheless, because it gave a fantastic pattern, which is basically a morning star pattern. It's a 3 candlestick pattern. People who don't know it can go and Google it out. And it has formed exactly on the support. So, and we actually then took out the targets, for which the first target was met immediately, and now we are just 118 points away from the second target itself. And now the interesting development here is there is this sloping trend line on Dow. The moment we are going to take this out, and more importantly 34,500 or 34,600 levels, or this particular level also, for basically this particular entire zone, the moment we are going to take this particular zone out, we are going to see a sharp up move, because basically then it will be a breakout of the bullish pole and flag target, bullish pole and flag on weekly time frame. So I'll just show you. It's basically, this is how the prices are moving. So I don't know exactly how much time it is going to take for the breakout, but till then we have to wait patiently and see whenever it takes out this particular. Obviously this view goes for a toss if Dow Jones breaks this particular low, which is 32,600, 32,500. But my bias is on the upside. Now the reason is only and only because we saw a sharp up move and the prices are still within the upper 1/3 area. So yeah, that's about it about Dow Jones. Let's go back to our own local markets, Nifty. Starting with the monthly time frame. So in the last week analysis, just like in Bank Nifty, we also checked in Nifty. Whenever we see 3 consecutive red candles on a monthly time frame, it is usually followed by a green candle. Had happened in the past, and looks like that's gonna hold for this particular month as well, for this particular year as well. So yeah, these were the red candles followed by green candles. So now let's see what's on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, this higher high and higher low still intact, and Nifty took the exact support. Obviously definitely went a bit lower. We basically called it as a shakeout, wherein weak hands are basically taken out, and then Nifty then, or whatever the index or the particular underlying, will make a fresh high. Just one more thing that I wanted to point out. If you guys remember, in the month of, I'll just show you that in the month of, see, this was the month in November 2028. I'll just go on the daily time frame. That will be easier. Yeah. December 1st, 2022 is when we made a fresh all-time high on Nifty. Oh, what did I just do? Bank Nifty. Okay. In Bank Nifty, same thing. Let me just check. In Bank Nifty, December, I'll tell you, this was the day when we made a fresh ATH on Bank Nifty, which was on November 11, 2022, which means Bank Nifty was actually outperforming Nifty, and basically what I'm trying to point out that in Bank Nifty we saw that particular all-time high in the month of November, whereas in Nifty we saw that ATH in the month of December, which clearly means Bank Nifty was leading the entire rally. Now in this particular case also, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to take the lead, just like we saw it in this particular month of November, December. That's what we are going to expect. Obviously there was a blip because of the Adani fiasco, but now markets actually like to look forward, so now we will definitely look for other triggers. And of course banks as a whole are looking really good in terms of their performances, and especially Bank Nifty. Usually banking stocks for that matter usually come up with a good set of results when in a rising interest rate environment. I'm saying rising environment and not like plateauing or trough kind of I'm talking about the rising interest rate environment. So let's see now in Nifty. So that's what I'm expecting, Nifty, Bank Nifty to again outperform. So here also we can see what had happened in Bank Nifty in the weekly. We actually saw a clean bullish engulfing pattern. Basically we have like closed above the previous week's high, and in Nifty if you see that has not happened. The previous week high is still away, which was around 17,977. So that's what I was going to say, like we are expecting Bank Nifty only to outperform or lead the rally than Nifty, and rightly so, because again Bank Nifty is a higher beta than the Nifty. Nifty has other components to drag it. Now let's see. So this is the trend line that I'm going to definitely track on a daily time frame for Nifty, just like in Bank Nifty we saw. Just that I have modified it. Earlier I was tracking this, and according to me I was considering this as a breakout and then a more of a retest, but now I'm just going to change my trend line here. And okay, in in Nifty we can clearly see a W pattern on the daily time frame. Up move, again a small down move, and then an up move. So this is a W pattern in Nifty which has formed on a daily time frame. Of course I'm going to expect, I'll just take this particular chart. Okay, let me just compute. Yeah, kind of at the most it will be till 17,700 levels, around 17,700 when I have checked it in the lower time frame. So yeah, that's about it right now. But yeah, this is what the the W pattern looks like. And again, where it has formed, there was this particular W in Bank Nifty, and we had seen a breakout here, and exactly this is where we are seeing another W. So style which was acting as a resistance and then a breakout, now this is acting as a support. So supports and resistances are many, but then let me check what's happening on the hourly time frame as well. Yeah, so Definitely the next important target would be this particular level of 17,772 and this 17,820, which is basically the gap area. I don't see Nifty to go beyond this particular level for the upcoming week, but if at all it has to surprise us, then let it be. We will go follow the trend. Now let's check the 15 minutes. Yeah, fantastic. So in 15 minutes, this was basically a zone where Nifty was trying to break this particular level, but it was not able to do so until this happened. So now what we are going to see, this particular level will act as a support, and I'll just change the color. If it's a support, it has to be in blue. Yeah. So this particular level around 17,425 till 17,450 will act as a clear support. There is a small support here as well, which is around 17,580, 550 to 580. And here this was a very clear resistance, this particular zone. This was a resistance. Now because we are expecting a gap up, this might act, and if we see some sort of a sell off from the gap up, then we might see this may act as a support, which is basically 17,600 to 17,630 zones. I'm not marking anything here right now, but then yeah, these are the immediate support zone. I'll just mark a level here. Yeah, this is an immediate support. See what happens whenever market moves in this particular fashion, or sharp down move, you basically don't get any sort of a consolidation to mark it as a support or a resistance. So obviously these levels or these swing lows is where I will definitely watch how the prices reacted these particular swings. So yeah, this is what the immediate support look like, and the resistance, again, since market the Nifty, when it fell off, it just fell off in one particular single fashion. Exactly, that's the reason I'm going to see some sort of a resistance here, a small resistance here around 17,675, and then followed by 17,775 till 17,820. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. And don't forget, it's now a buy on dips market on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And on Nifty we have formed a W pattern on daily time frame, and Bank Nifty we have seen a basically bullish engulfing pattern on weekly time frame, for which the target works out to 43,000. Obviously I'm going to share all those charts on my Twitter handle, so don't forget to check that out during the weekend. It will be either today or tomorrow. And do share your comments and your feedback, and let us know what else do you require, what else can we add in our analysis. Hope you like this particular video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.